Nanawagan po ko sa ating mga kababayan, the day of the keyboard warrior is over. Wala po. Ang social media hindi magmamarcha. Yung post ninyo ay hindi magdadala ng placard. Yung mga tweet ninyo ay hindi sisigaw para sa hustisya. Wala pong mangyayari sa social media. We have to be out there on the streets to show our anger, to show our disgust within the bounds of the law, para makinig po sila. Kasi ang nangyayari po, they are getting away with it. We want the people to take to the streets, not to topple the government, yet, but to demand three things muna, three things. Number one, that the House of Representatives cleanse itself by electing a new speaker. Dahil tainted na po ang leadership ng ating speaker. Cleanse itself and redeem its credibility before the eyes of the people. Number two, let us appeal to the new Blue Ribbon Committee Chairman, Senator Ping Lacson, to continue the work of Senator Marcoleta. Let the hammer fall where it may. Number three, yung Truth Commission ni Pangulong Marcos, lagdaan na niya, sabi, ready na daw Para malaman natin yung sincerity ng Pangulo, o ito talaga ay independent, no nonsense, and aim towards attaining the truth. Yun muna po ang tatlong itidemand namin, and we will demand that by a show of force on the streets, para makita nila, the people are fed up.